Hi, I'm Q, your digital water assistant at Qatium. Today, I'll show you how to design a flushing sequence. You'll always find me here, at the bottom left of the screen if you need any assistance. With flushing scenarios, evaluate the best option to clean your pipes while limiting the impact on customers by simulating hydrant operations, determining the optimal flow velocities, and checking for discoloration risks. With Qatium, this feature is available in Pro, Business, or Enterprise plans. For any questions or help with your plan, we're here to assist you anytime. Now, I'll show you how to apply different demands to your junctions or hydrants to achieve the desired velocities for flushing. Start by selecting the network in your workspace where you want to run the flushing scenario. You can activate flushing work mode. Then, choose the time on the timeline when you'd like to test the scenario. Select a junction or hydrant, and adjust the slider in the demand spike panel. Optimize pipe flushing velocity by increasing demand. You can also type the new value directly in the box. Pipes with a velocity between 4.92 feet per second and 9.84 feet per second will be highlighted in green to indicate they are optimal for flushing. Qatium will also analyze and compare flow and velocities to locate where there's a risk of discoloration. The affected pipes will be highlighted in orange. In the demand spike panel, the residual pressure is color-coded to show how it's affected at the selected hydrant. Red is critical, orange is low, and green is normal. When you're done, press the reset button to clear the values. If you want to create a new scenario, use the trash can button in the Network Versions panel. I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.